You spent decades working hard, showing up day after day, building your career, and making sacrifices for your family and your future. All those years you dreamed of a retirement where you could finally enjoy life on your terms, traveling, spending time with loved ones, or simply relaxing without a schedule. That nest egg you built? It's not just money, it's your freedom, your peace of mind, and the key to living the life you've always imagined. Now protecting it is your top priority. You've worked too hard to let anything threaten what you've achieved. Think of your savings like a garden you've tended for years, carefully planting seeds, nurturing them, and watching them grow season after season. You wouldn't leave it unguarded for pests to destroy, or let weeds take over after all your hard work. You'd put up a fence, keep watch, and do whatever it takes to keep it thriving. In retirement, there are no more paychecks to replant if something goes wrong. The days of steady income are behind you, and that means every financial decision carries more weight. Every dollar matters now. Mistakes are harder to recover from, and unexpected expenses can have a bigger impact than ever before. Your income is fixed, so you have to make it last. There's no room for careless spending or risky moves. This isn't about fear, it's about being smart and proactive. It's about taking charge and making sure your money works for you, not against you. You need a plan, not just hope. A clear strategy gives you confidence and helps you avoid costly mistakes. Know where your money is, what it's doing, and how it's protected. Review your accounts regularly and make sure you understand every investment and expense. And don't forget, there are always people and scams out there looking to take advantage. Stay alert to fraud and identity theft, and use strong security measures. You're the CEO of your retirement. No one else will care as much as you do. Take ownership and make decisions with confidence. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and take control. Read up on financial news, ask questions, and don't be afraid to seek advice from trusted professionals. Don't just relax and hope for the best. Protect what you've earned. Secure your important documents, passwords, and financial information. This is your championship season. Let's make sure you win. You've already achieved so much. Now it's time to defend your legacy. Guarding your nest egg is the most important job you have now. It's about protecting your dreams, your independence, and your future. Every decision counts more than ever. Even small choices can have a big impact over time, so make each one with care. You've earned a worry-free retirement, but you have to claim it. Peace of mind doesn't just happen, it's something you build and protect every day. Let's get down to business and make sure your future is secure. You've worked for this moment, now let's make it last for years to come. Ready? Let's go. First, you need a budget, a real one. Not just a vague idea in your head, but a clear written plan that lays out exactly what's coming in and what's going out. This is the first step to taking control of your financial future, and it's never too late to start. Think of it as your financial GPS, not a prison. A budget doesn't restrict your freedom, it gives you direction, helping you reach your goals with confidence. Just like a GPS, it helps you avoid wrong turns and keeps you on track, even if you hit a few bumps along the way. Start by listing all your income sources, Social Security, pensions, investments, part-time work, or any other streams. Knowing exactly what you have to work with is the foundation of a solid plan. Next, track every expense for a month or two. No judgment, just facts. Write down every coffee, every bill, every little purchase. This honest snapshot will reveal patterns you might not have noticed before. Once you see where your money goes, you can make smarter choices. Maybe you'll spot subscriptions you don't use, or realize you're spending more on dining out than you thought. Knowledge is power. Prioritize essentials, housing, utilities, food. These are your non-negotiables, the things you need to feel safe and comfortable. Make sure these are covered first before anything else. But don't forget to allocate for fun too. Retirement should be enjoyed. Set aside a reasonable amount for entertainment, hobbies, or travel. Just make sure you're not overspending in these areas. The goal is simple: spend less than you bring in, even if it's just a little. That small surplus each month is what builds your financial cushion. That surplus is your safety net for life's surprises, unexpected car repairs, medical bills, or even a spontaneous trip to see family. It's peace of mind in a jar. Review your budget every few months. Life changes, and so should your plan. Maybe your expenses shift, or your income changes. Regular check-ins keep you prepared. Adjust for new hobbies, rising bills, or unexpected expenses. Flexibility is key. Your budget should adapt as your life does. Your budget should work for you, not against you. It's a tool to help you live the life you want, not a set of rules to make you feel guilty. When you know your numbers, you're in control. Not guessing, not worrying. You can make decisions with confidence, knowing you're on solid ground. This is how you avoid financial surprises and keep your retirement on track. No more sleepless nights wondering if you'll have enough. Don't set it and forget it. Stay engaged. Make budgeting a regular habit, just like checking your health or maintaining your home. Every dollar should have a job. Assign your money with intention, so you know exactly where it's going and why. You're the driver now. Make sure you know the route. With a clear plan, you can navigate any detour or roadblock that comes your way. A good budget is the foundation of a secure retirement. It's what lets you build the life you want brick by brick year after year. Take charge, and you'll have real peace of mind. That's true financial power. The freedom to enjoy your golden years, knowing you're prepared for whatever comes next. Let's talk about scammers, because they're out there, and they're getting more creative every day. They target retirees, hoping to catch you off guard, and they're relentless in their efforts. These scammers use phone calls, emails, texts, and even social media to try and trick you out of your hard-earned money. They look for people who might be trusting, or who just want to help their family. But you don't have to be an easy mark. You can prove them wrong by staying informed and cautious. If someone tries to pressure you or makes you feel rushed, that's a red flag. Scammers want you to act before you think. Take a breath, and remember, you're in control. If something sounds too good to be true, it almost always is. Whether it's a surprise lottery win, a miracle investment, or a can't-miss opportunity, be skeptical. Real opportunities don't come with pressure or secrecy. The IRS will never ask for gift cards, wire transfers, or payment over the phone. If someone claims to be from the government and demands money in strange ways, it's a scam, every time. And if you get a call saying your grandchild is stranded overseas and needs bail money, pause. Scammers prey on your love for your family. Always double-check with other relatives before sending money. Never pay fees to claim a prize you never entered. Real sweepstakes don't ask for money up front. If you didn't enter, you didn't win, no matter how official it looks. Hang up, delete, block, don't engage. Romance scams are real, and they can be devastating. Scammers build fake relationships online just to get your trust and your money. If you haven't met someone in person, don't send them money. No matter what story they tell or what promises they make. Protect your heart and your wallet. Slow down. Scammers want you to panic and act fast. Take your time. Think things through and never let anyone rush you into a decision about your money. Always verify. Call your bank or agency using the official number, not the one they give you. Look up the number yourself and never trust contact info in a suspicious message. Talk to someone you trust before making any big financial move. A second opinion can save you from a costly mistake, and it's always okay to ask for help. Shine a light on suspicious requests. Scams hate daylight. The more you talk about it, the harder it is for scammers to succeed. Protecting yourself isn't rude, it's wise. Saying no is your right, and it keeps you safe. Your money is your future. Don't let anyone take it. Stay skeptical, stay alert, and remember that your financial security is worth defending. If you're unsure, ask for help. There's no shame in double-checking, and it could make all the difference. You work too hard to let a scammer steal your security. Your savings represent years of effort and dreams for the future. Remember, you're not alone. Reach out if something feels off. Trust your instincts, and lean on your community for support. Keep your guard up, always. Scammers are persistent, but you can be even more vigilant. You're smarter than any scammer out there. Don't let them win. Stay safe, stay strong, and protect what you've earned. Where you keep your money is just as important as how much you have. Use only reputable FDIC or NCUA-insured banks and credit unions. Don't keep large amounts of cash at home. It's not safe from theft or disaster. If you have more than $250,000, spread it across multiple insured accounts. Check your statements every month. Look for anything suspicious. Sign up for online banking to monitor your accounts easily. Use strong, unique passwords and be careful at ATMs. Never hand your debit card to anyone you don't trust. Your bank account is your vault, protect it. Simple diligence now prevents big headaches later. Stay vigilant and your money stays safe. In retirement, your investment strategy should shift from growth to protection. Focus on preserving what you've built and generating steady income. Rebalance your portfolio. Less risky stocks, more bonds or income-producing assets. Think of it as sailing into harbor slowed down for a safe landing. Work with a certified financial planner, a fiduciary who puts your interests first. Ask questions, check credentials, and understand how they get paid. Stay involved, meet with your advisor regularly, especially after big life changes. Know what you're invested in and why. Don't be afraid to ask for plain English explanations. You're the head coach, your advisor is just part of the team. No one cares more about your money than you do. Stay engaged, stay informed, protect your lead, make your money last. That's how you win the retirement game. Life throws curveballs, especially health issues. Know your Medicare coverage and review it every year. Consider a Medigap or Medicare Advantage plan to fill coverage gaps. Think about long-term care insurance. It's expensive, but so is needing care. Weigh the costs and risks with your family and advisor. Review your home and auto insurance. Adjust as your needs change. Insurance transfers risk, protecting your savings from big losses. Don't skip this step. It's a key part of a secure retirement. Be prepared, not surprised. Talk to your family about your finances. It's a gift, not a burden. Make sure your spouse and trusted loved ones know where to find important documents and contacts. Create a binder with account info, insurance, wills, and powers of attorney. Set expectations and make your wishes clear. Appoint someone you trust to make decisions if you can't. Open conversations now prevent confusion and stress later. Online banking is convenient, but it comes with risks. Use strong, unique passwords and a password manager. Never click on suspicious links. Go directly to official websites. Keep your devices updated and avoid public Wi-Fi for financial tasks. Treat your digital life with the same care as your front door. Lock it up tight. Your sharp mind is your best defense in retirement. Stay informed, read, watch, and learn about personal finance. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, pause and ask questions. Don't let anyone rush you into decisions. Stay active, mentally and socially. You've earned this retirement. Protect it by staying engaged. Be the guardian of your future. Stay vigilant, stay in control. Enjoy the secure, joyful retirement you deserve. You've got this.